Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the remaining properties of integers. In our previous video, already we have seen the closure property and commutative property of integers. So now we will see the remaining properties. So here is our third property, that is associative property. Associative property means, so in the closure law and in the commutative law we have taken only two numbers. Here three numbers we will take. Okay, so A, B, C. So already I have told four fundamental basic operations are there in the maths, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so what are integers? Integers are the collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers are called integers. Okay, now we will see associative property. So A plus B plus C. Now here we will see first associative and addition. So here just changing the brackets. First two numbers and the second last two numbers in the bracket. Okay. So according to the BODMAS rule is BODMAS. First of all, we have to simplify the bracket. So now here I am taking A as 1, B as -2 and C as 3. Any number you can take, but I am taking here this. So here A plus B plus C means A1 and plus B as -2 plus C 3. Okay, in the parallel way we'll solve this also. A plus B as -2 and C plus 3. A1. So here 1 plus into minus -2 plus 3. So here 1 plus, here both integers have different symbols. Then subtract small number from big number. 3 minus 2, 1. So here plus is there before big number. So this is plus 1 only. 1 plus 1, 2. So now here you see, here big number is 2 and small number is 1. So subtract small number from big number. 2 minus 1, 1. So here before big number minus is there. So this is -1. So 3 minus 1, 2 only, right? So 2. So in both cases we got the same answer. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C, right? So now we can say integers or associative and addition. Okay, so integers follow associative property under addition. Now we will see under subtraction. Under subtraction. So you have to remember associative property means we should take three integers. We'll take three integers. So now we will see associative property under addition. So associative property means we have to take three integers, right? And simply the changing brackets. A minus B minus C and A minus B minus C. First two and in the second last two. Okay, this is associative property. So we will see, this is LHS and this is RHS, the left hand side and right hand side. So 1, A value 1 minus B value -2 minus C value 3. And here A value 1 minus B value -2 minus C value 3. So 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0 we got. So 1 minus, they both are negative, so we can add and put negative sign. So 1 minus into minus plus 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. So is 0 is equal to 6? No, not equal, right? So a minus b minus c is not equals to a minus of b minus c. So we can say that integers are not associative under subtraction. Integers are not associative under subtraction. Integers are associative under addition, right? So now we will check under multiplication. Under multiplication, integers means negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Associative property means we should take 3 numbers and simply changing the brackets. First case, first 2, and in the second case, last 2. So same as our previous, a equals to b, b minus 2, and c 3. C 3. So 1 into minus 2 into 3. So if one number is negative, in the multiplication the answer will be negative. Minus 2 into 3. So again minus 2 3s are 6. So a 1 into b minus 2 c 3. 1. If 1 is negative, the answer will be negative. 2 3s are 6. 1 6 are 6, then minus. So minus 6 is equal to minus 6. So a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. So we can say that integers are associative under multiplication. So integers follow associative property under multiplication. Okay. So now we will see under division. Under division, associative property means we take 3 numbers. A divided by b divided by c. A divided by b divided by c. Last 2. In the first case, first 2 contains in the bracket. In the second case, last 2. So first a 1 divided by minus 2 divided by 3. So a divided by b minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. So we can solve. So if we solve, these are not equal. Okay. This is somewhat difficult for you to understand this division and this division. Okay. So they both are not equal. LHS is not equals to RHS. In our previous, already we have divided 1 with 2, right? 0.5 like that. Again we have to divide that 0.5 with 3. Okay. So even though we divided, they both are not equal. So we can say a divided by b divided by c not equals to a divided by b divided by c. So integers are not associative under division. Okay. So what is associative property? Yes, even though if we change the brackets, the result must be same on both sides. Integers are associative under multiplication. Integers are associative under, first one, integers are associative under addition. Integers are associative under multiplication. Integers are not associative under subtraction and division. Okay students, this is associative property of integers. Okay, now we will see the distributive property of integers. Now we will see distributive. Same as associative, for distributive also we will take 3 integers, a, b, c. So if a into b plus c is equal to, see here this a distributes with b and distributes with c. A into b, here plus is there, then a into c. This is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. Similarly, over subtraction, A into B minus A into C. This is distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Now, we'll see an example. A is equal to, in our textbook, there is one question is there in page number 27. Let's think. Okay. Minus 3. So the question will be like this. Minus 3 into minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 3 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 2. We have to prove. We have to check whether this follows or not. So under subtraction. So minus 3. So here both are negative. So add 4 plus 2 6 and minus is there. So minus 6. So here minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12. Minus again minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Minus into minus plus. So this is plus 12. Right. So here both are minus. Yes. Plus 6 only. With the 2. Here only 2 will be there. It's not minus 2. Okay. In the problem. So this is minus 6. So 12 minus into minus plus. So 18 is equal to 12 plus 6, 18. So LHS is equal to RHS. It is the problem in page number 27. Let's think in our textbook. They asked to check whether distributive law of integers over subtraction undergoes or not. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. So distributive law works over subtraction of integers also. Okay. So this is our distributive law.